Replacing an Aprilaire Space-Gard 2200 furnace filter. This diagram shows the components of the filter assembly and how they fit together. The filter media is pleated like an accordion and is stretched across the plastic housing and fastened at the top and bottom. Multiple plastic pleat spacers maintain consistent spacing between the pleats. Remove the filter access door by lifting it up and off of the metal furnace frame that contains the filter. Slide the plastic filter housing out of the frame. With the black plastic pleat spacers facing up, unsnap and release the plastic latches on the tops of both side panels. Remove the black pleat spacers from the top and bottom housing rails. Clean all dust and debris from inside the filter frame, using a vacuum. Remove the new filter from the box and inspect it carefully to make sure it is not ripped. Place the filter into the plastic filter housing so that the side with the alignment yarn is facing upward. Spread out the filter so it fills most of the housing. Place one end of the filter's cardboard flap on the bottom of the housing, hooking it onto the plastic hooks. Expand the filter to the other side, and hook the other cardboard end onto the hooks. Snap the plastic flap closed on both ends, top and bottom. Install the pleat spacers one at a time. To place the first spacer, start at one end of the filter and carefully insert one tooth of the spacer into each pleat. Make sure you do not have any pleats doubled up. Secure the filter media by snapping the closure flaps closed at the tops and bottoms of the side panels. Slide the filter housing back into the filter frame, and reinstall the filter access door. Turn on the power to the furnace to complete the job. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.